It's actually not even that great. Talking about sushi right now. The thing is, why are we all here?
Oh, hey! Oh, check this out. I'm communicating in Discord with my friends.
Hi there guys, today we're going to discuss how to use Discord. Thank you for joining me here on this lovely afternoon. So first things first, you want to go to the Discord website and you want to make an account. It's pretty straightforward, so I won't really get into that too much. But then you have an option of either using it through the browser or installing it on your desktop. Now, I always like to go with the desktop version because I like to communicate with my friends 24/7. If I'm playing video games, I want this thing on at all times. To start us off, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord account. Now first you want to go to the Discord website. That's a crucial step to this process. Then you want to make an account. It's pretty straightforward, so I'm sure you won't have any trouble doing it. After that you will have one of two options. You can download for Windows, or you can open Discord in the browser. Now I personally prefer downloading the Discord software to your operating system so that you can use it whenever you're playing a game. So I have done that right here, and this is what it will look like when you first open it. You might not have as many friends as I do, but that comes with time. Now first thing you want to do is make a server. It's going to be this plus right here in the corner, and it's going to prompt you. You want to create a new server or do you want to join one? Now since we're making our own server, we're going to create the server, and we're going to call it Group Project. That's a great name. And just click create. It's simple as that. Now, since I'm the only one in the server, I want to invite some of my friends. If I want to play a game, or if I want to communicate on a development project, I want to have other people communicating with me. So I'm going to share this link with them. Control, copy, and then you go right up here to your friends, and you simply select one, and you send them the link. And now my friend will join my project. Now, if you are joining an existing project, you don't really create your new server, you join a server. Now, you're going to need that link for this one. If you're part of a big team, they should provide you with this link. All you do is just copy and paste it right here, and you join it. Simple as that.
Okay, another great feature for Discord is the ability to easily and quickly upload files into a message board that anybody that is in your group can see and download. So you just click that little plus sign that I did here, and you locate your folder and find the folder that you want, and click on the file and hit open. For this tutorial, I'll be just using Discord's own DLLs. You can also add additional comments to the file, like my newest code upload, and then hit enter, and it'll upload. This way anybody can download your file and implement it into your project. Discord has many features, and one of the best features is that it works across all operating system platforms such as Windows, Mac, and Linux. Another great feature for Discord is the ability to make video calls. And one way to do that is, if you're sitting in this message board, you must go back to home. And then up here on the top right, you have a little video camera icon, and it says start video call. Click that button, and you'll immediately start video calling your friend that you have in your group, or all members in your group.
Apart from these features, we've also got the slowdown mode that limits the number of messages allowed in the group, the cloud sync to store your messages and media files, the messaging system, and works on all OS platforms including your smartphones, Android and iOS. We also have voice over IP and video conferencing.
Now that we have shown some of the main features of Discord, we will now discuss how Discord works with the Dynamic Systems Development Method. DSDM has 8 major principles: focus on business need, deliver on time, collaborate, never compromise quality, build incrementally from firm foundations, develop iteratively, communicate continuously and clearly, and demonstrate control. The first principle, focus on business need, is consistent with the DSDM for multiple reasons. With Discord, you can create servers for both clients and developers. Because of this, clients can quickly contribute ideas directly to the developers. Clients can also involve themselves in business communications when new requirements for their product are represented. However, communication can often be informal and quick. In a standard business situation where a client might write a business letter or a memo, they might find it more convenient to simply write a couple of paragraphs with general ideas. This can lead to unclear ideas and requests, ultimately ending in confusion. Delivering a product on time is essential and is often quite stressful. Discord can make it easy to communicate deadlines to team members, whether it's through direct messages or server text channels. Clients can easily communicate their priorities to the development team. This prevents misunderstanding and allows developers to plan their time accordingly. Discord has a feature that allows users to create and name multiple text channels. A developer could create a text channel specifically for priority deadlines and post the deadlines in the channel for the major requirements of the product. Features that are not essential could be posted in a separate channel.
Team collaboration is a principle of the DSDM software development lifecycle. When a team is allowed to collaborate at a high level, they can work more efficiently and produce a higher quality of product. Teams also can take on more complex ideas and implement solutions to them much more efficiently. Discord is a great tool to support this SDLC. It allows your team to communicate from anywhere and at any time, keeps you connected to the project and new information as it comes out. Documents will always be there. Messages won't disappear. You can look back on previous conversations and review goals and ideas to pick which ones you want to implement. Using Discord voice chat also allows you to have conversations with coworkers while you're working on the project at the same time at different locations. Another principle of a DSDM is never compromise quality. In a DSDM, the level of quality to be delivered should be agreed upon at the very beginning. All goals should be set to achieve this level of quality, no more, no less. Testing needs to start as soon as possible to ensure the solution will meet the criteria.
Another key principle of DSDM is building incrementally from firm, high-level foundations. The development team must carry out preliminary design analysis to structure the rest of their work, and Discord helps the team members get on the same page. By creating a main server, the team puts all their implementation details in one location. External files can be attached to the server, so Discord does not limit any portion of the planning phase. From there, the work can be distributed among the developers, and any further communication can be done in private messages. Furthermore, Discord is an exceptional platform for reassessment of priorities and project components. Should any team member encounter issues with the current plan, they can inform the team leads about them. The team will schedule video chat review sessions to discuss these issues. Should they agree on a particular modification, the main file can be promptly updated and quickly shared with the entire team. One more principle of DSDM is iterative development. As characteristic to an agile development process, changes to the software are frequent and relatively small. Difficulties with this method arise due to the lack of quick feedback from end users and testers during the optional testing phase. Luckily, Discord builds end user feedback right into each iteration through the use of additional communication servers. Now, users can post their questions and complaints directly into the respective public server, and dedicated developers will address their issues as they appear. This streamlined process will prevent bugs from staying around for longer than a couple of iterations, since developers know about them almost immediately. As the project gets more detailed, another communication server can be opened to facilitate the coordination of developers and testers. Testers can ask developers about specific implementation details of their programs, and developers can ask testers to help them trace any confusing bugs that were encountered. Overall, Discord makes it really easy to get instant feedback on a change into the project, which will in turn encourage a creative work environment and successful completion of the project.
One of the biggest causes of project failure is poor communication. In DSDM, practices are specifically designed to improve communication effectiveness for both teams and individuals. That brings us to our principle number 7. Discord encourages informal face-to-face communications at all levels You can also run daily team stand-up sessions, use virtual communication like workshops, and have visual communication practices such as modeling and prototyping. It helps us manage the expectations of the stakeholders at all levels throughout the project and has always aimed for honesty and transparency in all communication. DSDM emphasizes the value of human interaction just like Discord does, and thus making it consistent with the development. The eighth and the final principle is demonstrate control. It is crucial to be in control of a project at all times. We should be able to demonstrate it in all cases. This can only be achieved by reference to plan for work being done. It is also vital to ensure transparency of all work being performed by the team. DSDM teams need to make plans progressive and visible to all, measure the progress, manage proactively, evaluate continuity of the project, and also keep track and reports. A great example of time boxes which are well designed to assist the project managers and team leaders to follow this principle.
As we have found, Discord is consistent with the dynamic systems development method. It allows for structured, high-level organization while at the same time connecting the developers, clients, and end users in a fluid and streamlined way, perfect for receiving quick feedback on iterative updates. Overall, Discord promotes an extremely agile development lifecycle while maintaining a strong sense of governance and discipline.